for the Spain UHE application ay kailangan ang una nyong kunin if magdi-DIY kayo is yung NIE nyo. So, kailangan nyo pa rin kumuha ng NIE. Kasi, wala kayong, may mga forms na kailangan talaga yung NIE. Especially yung tax forms. So, kailangan nyo kumuha ng NIE nyo and saan nyo ito kukunan. Siyempre, sa consulate pa din. So, same process with the application in the consulate. Kailangan yung kumuha ng NIE kung wala kayong consultant. Kasi usually, consultants can put their NIE in, in place of yours. And then, of course, after nyo makuha yung NIE, kailangan nyo kumuha ng digital certificate.
A few moments later, a few minutes later, a few inches later, 12 seconds
So, I'll actually make a YouTube video about this as well so that you guys can look back on that and it's properly recorded and probably mas screen share and stuff. But I like to do this especially sa mga malapit na mag-apply just in case meron kayong makakalimutan and stuff. Kasi I don't know when I'll have the time to edit a full YouTube video. But definitely, ayun, kailangan nyo ng digital certificate. So, kailangan nyo kunin mo na yung NIE bago yung digital certificate. So, bakit? Kasi itong digital certificate, need niya ng NIE bago nyo makuha yung application code. So, itong both digital certificate and NIE, meron akong post sa Ate in Spain, paano siya kunin, paano yung fill upan yung forms, ganyan. But definitely, I'll also post on YouTube kung paano i-fill upan to that I can do like sooner than later. But definitely, kailangan nyo tong dalawa. Ngayon, ano yung isa nyo pang kailangan? Of course, kailangan nyo yung Schengen visa. So, I wouldn't say ito yung pagkakasunod-sunod because definitely, you can get your NIE and your Schengen visa together, like sabay. I mean, not necessarily same consulate or whatever, but kailangan sabay nyong i-process kasi yung NIE, may waiting time yan bago ka mabigyan ng appointment. Then, after nung appointment, wait mo pa na isend sa'yo yung NIE certificate. So, definitely, wait muna. Habang nagwa-wait ka nito, pwede mo nang i-process din Schengen visa. Kasi ngayon, I think sa Netherlands, 45 days yung waiting time for Schengen visa. Maximum. So, kung may Schengen visa ka na or other strong visas, definitely, you have nothing to worry about. Mabilis ka makakuha ng Schengen visa. Pero, just to play it safe, i-assume mo yung worst. Sa buong process na to, always assume the worst. Always assume na there's gonna be more, there's gonna be more time, more effort, more money na kailangan nyo i-spend.